Hello, everyone. It's me again, Sher the artist, and I'm here right now to show you my continuation of my logo. And this time, I'm doing it in a pointillism style. Before, I used a colored pencil, but this time, what I'm going to do is pen and ink, and then suddenly I will apply also the colored pencil. But this time, what I'm doing right now is if my hands or my fingers become tired, I used to do a baton twirling, actually a ball pen twirling, okay? And it is good also for stress relieving, and especially if you are getting intense when if ever you are doing your artwork, okay? Dalas ganito ginagawa ko, naglalaro ako ng ballpen para lang malibang. And now what I'm doing right now is I'm still continuing it by putting a lot of details and pointillism. And I'm I'm doing this as a commission to one of my friends who likes my logo of Sir Pencil the artist, which is the egret bird. And egret bird is a migratory birds that I've been seen outside. So thank you for watching my channel.